are going to love the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, dual airbags, front wheel drive, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, day and night rear view mirror, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.